Want to fix the switch to youtube.com problem? Whenever you open the YouTube app, if you're getting this error where it says switch to youtube.com, then in this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From this list, scroll all the way down and find the YouTube app. Tap on that. Next, you want to tap on storage. Here, tap on clear cache, then select clear data. Now tap on the delete option. This is going to delete all of this application's data. Once that is done, launch open Play Store. Now you want to search YouTube. Here, if you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once the application has been updated, launch it open, sign into your account, and this error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.